question, it is a common data question. With 10 volts DC connected at port A in the linear non-reciprocal two-port network shown below, the following were observed. 1. 1 ohm connected at port B draws a current of 3 amperes. 2. 2.5 ohm connected at port B draws a current of 2 amperes. First question, for the same network with 6 volt DC connected at port A, 1 ohm connected at port B draws 7/3 amperes. If 8 volts DC is connected to port A, the open circuit voltage at port B is. Options are A 6 volts, B 7 volts, C 8 volts, D 9 volts. Second question, with 10 volts DC connected at port A, the current drawn by the 7 ohm connected at port B is. Options are A 3/7 amperes, B 5/7 amperes, C 1 ampere, D 9/7 ampere. Solution, when 10 volts DC applied at port A, statement 1 draws a current of 3 amperes when 1 ohm connected at port B. Voltage drop equals to 7 volts and current equals to 3 amperes. Second statement, draws a current of 2 amperes when 2.5 ohm connected at port B. Ten volts, 2.5 ohm, 2 amperes. Voltage drop is equals to 10 minus 5 equals to 5 volts and current is equals to 2 amperes. From last two statements we can assume the linear non-reciprocal network is a combination of resistor and a voltage source. That is, resistor R equals to 2 ohm and voltage source V equals to 1 volt. The network is ohm 1 volt. Solution for the first question, for the same network 6 volts DC is connected port A and 1 ohm is connected at port B and drawing a current of 7/3 amperes. If 8 volts DC connected at port A, 6 volt, 1 ohm, 7/3 amperes, 2 into 7/3 plus 1 plus 1 into 7/3. 6 equals to 6. So our network is correct. Now 8 volts DC is applied at port A. 8 volts. The open circuit voltage at port B is equals to from this loop it is 7 volts. So the answer is option B, 7 volts. Second question solution. When 10 volts DC is connected to port A and 7 ohm is connected to port B. 10 volts, 7 ohm. Current I equals to how much? Apply KVL to this loop. 10 equals to 2 into I plus 1 plus 7 into I. I equals to 9 by 9, that equals to 1 ampere. So the answer is option C, 1 ampere.